Now the correction, exercise 1. Question number 1. Which facts and figures indicate that the wind farm will be large? Okay, so in the text, in the short text, we have 80 turbines, okay? 80 turbines, 60 meters tall, turbine of 35-meter diameter, an area of several kilometers. Okay, so these are the things that show that in fact it's going to be a very big wind farm. Okay, number 2. Which phrase indicates that the wind farm will be profitable? Alright, so we have the phrase. Okay, when we say phrase, it's always a group of words. Okay, so we have commercially viable. Commercially viable. And the last question. What sources of energy are mentioned? Okay, so sources of energy mentioned. First of all, fossil fuels. Okay, we also have nuclear power, and we also have solar. Okay, from the sun. We also have wave. Okay, so advantages and disadvantages of each. Let's start with fossil fuels. Okay, so no advantages mentioned. The only things that have been said are that it's being used up. Okay, fossil fuels are being used up, which means that we're running out of fossil fuels, and one day in a few years' time we're not going to have fossil fuels anymore. And it also emits carbon dioxide. It emits carbon dioxide, so it's not good for the environment. Okay, now about nuclear power. No advantages have been mentioned in the text, but there are doubts about its safety. It's not safe, it's dangerous because it can explode anytime. And solar. Okay, we're talking about the sun, so the advantage, of course, it is renewable. Okay, renewable, and there are no disadvantages given. And the last one is wave. It is also renewable, and no disadvantages have been mentioned. And the last one is wind power. The wind can also be used to generate energy. It is also renewable, but the problem is, because we have to use turbines, it spoils the landscape, which means it makes the landscape ugly. It's not nice to look at anymore because of the ugly turbines. Okay, and also, apart from that, it's not reliable, so it depends on the wind. Sometimes we've got wind, sometimes we don't have wind.